In this first tutorial, I will go through the basics of HTML syntax. As we progress through the course, more deeper concepts will be introduced. I am using Visual Studio Code as my default editor. The installation link is provided in the description below. Firstly, I will go through the basic syntax of HTML. Usually, two tags are added, a starting and an ending tag. In between these tags, the main content is placed. For instance, the p tag is used to add a paragraph to the web page. The ending tag will always have a /. Finally, I will add some dummy text. There are several types of tags, including heading tags and hyperlink tags. As we progress through the course, I will discuss each of them individually. Emmet is a built-in plugin of VS Code that enables faster coding. So, with its help, I will add some typical HTML code. All you need to do is type the exclamation mark and hit enter to get the default code. The first line informs the browser of the document type. Next, the HTML tag is used. Inside this tag, the complete code is entered. Within the head tag, metadata is included. This gives some general properties of the file. Also, in the title tag, we must include the title text. In our case, the title is called Document. As you can see, this text is visible on our browser tab. The web page will be defined by the code inside the body tag. Now that we have covered the basic structure of HTML, I will go through the different types of tags. I will discuss the heading tag first. There are 6 headings, from H1 to H6, H1 being the largest and H6 being the smallest. To demonstrate this, I will add an H1 tag in the body. As you can see, a bold heading text is displayed. If we add all the headings, you can see how the font size varies. The next type of tag is a hyperlink tag. We will have to define the href property. A link to a different website can be provided, but even a link to an HTML page stored locally can be referenced. To demonstrate this, I will add a hyperlink to the Google home page. In between the starting and ending tag, I will place the text that is to be displayed. Please like and subscribe to ZapCode. We will be updating the web development playlist regularly. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching.